Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have another 6x6 paper project to share with you all using the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punchboard. It's another fun and easy, quick project to make. So it's a cute little pocket and you get two inserts as well, and you can get this whole project out of the one piece of 6x6 paper. So the pocket itself measures 3¼ inches by 3 inches, and it is so cute. Look at that, and it's just so fun to make. And these are the two little inserts that you get to make as well. So it's a tag, or you can call it a tag, or and you can write on the back of that. And I've just added some washi to decorate the tag, and then I just added some seam binding on the top. And then you also get to make a mini file tab, a note card as well. I mean, you could also use this as a tag as well and just punch a hole on the top. So it's really up to you what you want to do. And these little pockets are also great to use for treat or favour pockets. Add some packaged goodies in there. You can also add one of these tea bag sachets in there. That will fit nicely and perfectly in there as well, just like that. So even a gift card. So yeah, there's a lot of ways you can use these pockets. So that's just one of them, and this is the other one that I made. Same way, just different papers. Again, I just added some washi to the bottom just to decorate the bottom of the tag and the file tab note card. And that's your pocket. And again, I just added some washi to the bottom. And the papers that I used to make these pockets and tag were actually by Teresa Collins. It's her 6x6 paper pad, which was a clearance at our Spotlight craft store. I bought this a while ago and I haven't had a chance to use it, so I thought I'll use these papers to make these projects. So I'm going to show you how to make the pockets. So what you'll need your 6x6 paper, and you're going to cut your paper at 3¼ inches. This is another Teresa Collins paper from the paper pad as well. So yes, so we'll cut your paper at 3¼ inches, and then this part here we're going to cut that in half at 3 inches. So that you'll have 3 pieces of paper that we've just cut up. So what we'll do is we'll make the pocket first. So with the pocket on the edge side of this paper here, we're going to line it up at the 1 inch mark, and then we're just going to press down and then flip that over and do the same thing on the 1 inch mark and punch. And then we'll do it to the opposite end of the paper, again lining it up to the edge of the paper at the 1 inch mark and press down, and one more time. So it'll create that look. And then what we'll do here is we're going to fold the paper in half. I'm just going to get my bone folder and press that down. And if you have liquid glue with a fine tip, that would probably be more ideal, because we're going to apply just a small amount of glue just to the edge of your paper. We don't want to use, well, you could use double-sided tape. The only difference is you won't have enough room in your pocket otherwise to add your tags in there if you use double-sided tape. And that's why if you have liquid glue, just a fine amount of glue on the edge. We only want to just glue the edge. So once you've got that, we just fold that in half again and seal the sides. And then this part here, we're going to cut that off from this point to that point. So we'll just cut along there straight, just like that, and that will create your pocket. And that's all ready to go. So we'll let that set, and now we'll just make the tag and the file tab note card. So we'll make the file tab note card first. So we're going to line that on the the point of the notch there. So we'll line the edge of the paper to that point, and we're just going to go ahead and punch that, and then turn it around to the opposite end and do the same thing. So you'll create that shape, and then we'll just grab your scissors and we're just going to cut that straight along up to that, just up to there like that, and the same on the other side. So that creates your tab file mini note card to go in the pocket. So that one's done, and now we'll create the little tag. So with the tag, we're going to line the edge of this paper at the end of the part. I'll just grab the scoreboard in case you can't see where I'm, just sort of at this part here. So we're just going to line it there and press down. So then you'll have that look, and then turn it over to the other side and do the same, and that creates your tag. I'm just going to get my paper punch, and then all you do next is you just punch a hole in the middle, and that creates your tag. So that's really all there is to it with this pocket with the two inserts. The other thing you can do here is you can corner around your corners if you like, and all you do is just insert it through the back of your envelope punch board and punch, and that will give you a rounded corner. So that's just another way to finish off your tag and file tab note card. And that is basically it. And it's another easy project using your 6x6 paper. So that just goes in there like that, and the other piece also goes in there like that. And it's just another fun little project for you to add to your other projects. So yes, this is just another quick little project I wanted to share with you with what you can do with your 6x6 paper and your envelope punch board. I hope you enjoyed this quick video and tutorial, and I will see you in my next video, and I will be doing a giveaway in my next video, so please stay tuned for that. It will be a great giveaway, so keep your eye out, and I will see you in my next video with the giveaway details. Thank you for watching, everyone, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and like the video if you do like my video, and also click on the bell below on the right hand side so you can get the notifications for more of my videos, projects and tutorials. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.